Today's Chinese idiom is 早起的鸟儿有虫吃. The literal meaning is the early bird gets the worm. The real meaning? People who start early or act early have more opportunities and better results. This is a perfect expression for encouraging good habits, motivating students or co-workers, talking about productivity or discipline. We use this idiom when we want to encourage someone to take action early, wake up early, or prepare earlier than others. If you do things earlier, you'll get more chances or better outcomes. 如果你想进步快一点，记住早起的鸟有虫吃。Repeat after me. 早起的鸟有虫吃. Here we use a retroflex final, 鸟. 早起的鸟有虫吃. Follow for more useful Chinese idioms every day.